Okay, so I just wanted to quickly walk you through the two steps that you need to follow in order to create progress reports, which are due in a few weeks. So number one, before you can even start doing your progress reports, you need to make sure that your grade book is updated. To check how to set up your grade book, you should just check the previous video that I'm going to also include in the same email about progress reports. But once you've created your grade books and your grade books are set, you need to do two things. Number one, the first thing you need to do is just kind of do the progress report, which is super simple. You kind of click on the grading tab, full year assessment, and this is basically where all of your different classes appear. And you could either choose to kind of go one by one to each student, and these are the two things that you're kind of commenting on in 1 through 5, one being the lowest and 5 being the highest. Or if you want to kind of make your life even easier, just click on bulk edit, okay, select all, and you can assign every student the same grade. And then, well, if you think Razel Fink should get a 4 instead of a 5, you can just go into individuals. But what's even also amazing is that you could actually bulk edit all your comments. So you can select all, come up with a comment, add it, and then you can have the same comment for every student. Just clearly don't use their kid's name. So you're going to press save, but I'm going to press cancel. So you can do that for each of your classes. Once again, bulk edit, select all, and then either assign everyone the same grade or go individually, and you can assign a generic comment or go into individual comments. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. That's the investment in learning. You also need to import your grade book. So you're going to go to a class that has a grade book. You're going to go into every one of your classes, your pass-fail classes, your standard, your mid and final exam, and it's super simple. All you're going to do is press calculate. I don't want to press that. Press select all, and their grade is going to get pulled from your grade book and press save and close, and that's it. So just to review, you're going to go into every single one of your classes. You're going to press calculate, and you're going to put in your grade. And you could also choose to put your comment in here, but honestly, I think the best thing to go is to go to your comment from assessment. So just to review, you're first going to go into this we'll start from the beginning, just to review. On the side is your grading. You're going to click on the full year assessment, okay? These are all the different classes that you need to do your investment learning. You're going to click bulk edit. You're going to click select all. You're going to assign 5 and 5. If you want to, you can come up with your generic comments. If you want to change for individual students, you're going to click on individual students and change the grade, and then you're going to press save. Then you're going to go into every one of your different classes. You're going to go to pass-fail ones. You're going to press calculate, select all, and then you just need to, for here, description, just write progress report 1, and then press save and close, cancel. Then do standard, calculate, save and close, and final exam, standard, and calculate. I just realized for the pass and fail one, for now, this is just going to be annoying. This is the only you can't press calculate for your pass and fail ones. Just press pass or fail. You're going to have to just do that individually. I apologize. It's just not, there's no calculation for that. Okay. So for all your other classes, you're going to just press calculate. And for the pass fail, you're going to press pass fail. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Good luck.